और उस मुख्यमंत्री का नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है।
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gejala Meghalaya uba sneo Bhalangdhar ulas sedang ya ka swachta hi seva arajar arpausau hanong ba shalong kabanyai nadu ka khanyau tarik unailur hadu ka ar tarik urisau ka phang pedeng menta usnem kalong ka swabhav swachta sanskar swachta kapan let jingbut hagajinga tre chitom lang bat gajinga snok tilang jengkinong chongshnong hagi kam pen khuit pen suba uba dhar ula banjur ya gajing don kam chong gajinga shimbantalem ki pat nong chongshnong ban pen long ya kani gajing thmu ka bajam ula pen benaru ya gajing thmu ban ya kendu bat ki deputy commissioner bat ki block development officer ban ya mer jingbut halor kilat tre kam ban pen ne pensa i gajing khuit jing suba hagi shnong ki thau kani ka campaign ka thmu ban pen khlain biang ya kamen siam jong gajinga snok tilang kipat ba haki kam per khuit pen suba.
Last 2 years in some villages, in some cities and towns, whatever wrong throughout the state and throughout the country. It's spoiled the beauty, it's spoiled the environment, it's spoiled the feeling if there is no cleanliness. I'm thankful to the government of India which has been provided by the government of Meghalaya. So many support, even through PSE, through urban, through different programs. In order to make all the households, especially in rural areas, we should have toilet all. And now the days and the time has come. It seems that it's not enough only to have toilet. It's time for us to have also to maintain cleanliness, which is very, very important in our life.